There is a well-known proverb that says, "A man without a wife is like a vase without flowers." Marriage brings together two people who may be different in many ways, have different tastes, different personalities, different origins, but who believe in achieving common goals. I have no doubt that you will successfully achieve whichever goals you set your mind to. May you be blessed with true happiness and a peaceful life together.
It's rare to find someone who you can click with so easily. We have so much in common. It's the easiest to have a conversation with Helene. I never struggle, ever. And I thank her for that. She has a very special way of, making me feel good about myself, even when I don't. She encourages me, she pushes me forward. She encourages me to go forward with my ambitions and my dreams. And she's always by my side. I think I could go on and on and on and on about how amazing Helene is. But I think today the bottom line is I want to let everybody know in this room how much I love you, how much I care for you. And I can't put that into words enough, so instead I'm going to dedicate the rest of my life to showing you, okay?